Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your AliExpress. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down and you click here on apps. So then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on AliExpress here. So then it's going to take us here in this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on first stop here and you click here on OK. So and you go down here, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list here, then you just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now, so you just go to, so you go to your Play Store here, you click here on Play Store, then it's going to take you here, so just so you search here for AliExpress, it's going to show for you like this. You will find it your updates, so just click on it here, then it's going to fix with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.